Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Ariba Khan. My roll number is 018. I am from the Department of BS Biotechnology. Today I am here to present the topic photoelectric effect. First I will give you a brief introduction about the photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect was first introduced by German scientist Hertz in 1887. No. Hertz showed and observed that electrode illuminated with ultraviolet light can also produce electric spark as well. So this effect is also known as Hertz effect. Now I will tell you what is photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect is the phenomena of emission of electron by the metal when they are exposed to light of suitable frequency. This phenomena is called photoelectric effect, and the electrons that are emitted due to this effect is known as photoelectrons. Now I will tell you construction and working of photoelectric effect. Construction of photoelectric effect. The setup of photoelectric effect consists of an evacuated tube that consists of a photosensitive plate C and another metal plate A. This is a diagram of photoelectric effect. Here is evacuated glass tube from where the electrons are emitted. Light rays falls on the metal surface, due to which electrons are emitted from a metal surface. The monochromatic rays of light that falls onto a metal surface from a source can fall onto a photosensitive plate C, due to which electrons are emitted from a metal surface. Now I will tell you about the working of photoelectric effect. Here is the diagram which explains the photoelectric effect properly. First, a light of suitable frequency fall on the metal surface. Electron fall on the metal surface and also fall on the photosensitive metal plate C, due to which the photosensitive metal plate C emits electrons from a metal surface. The electron that are emitted due to this metal surface, due to photosensitive plate, is known as photoelectrons, because they are emitted due to phenomena of photoelectric effect. Now you can see that voltmeter is connected in this circuit. Resistor is also present, battery is also connected, and here is a ammeter which is used to measure the amount of current. Battery act as a power source, and voltmeter is used to measure the potential difference between the 2 points. Here resistor is also present in order to resist the amount of current, because if high amount of current is produced in the circuit, it may short the circuit and the operators do not perform well. This is the working of photoelectric effect that I explain. Now I will tell you about the characteristics of photoelectric effect. First one character is that the threshold frequency is different for different material. First of all, I will tell you what is threshold frequency. Threshold frequency is defined as the minimum frequency that can be used, that can causes electron to be emitted from the metal surface. If the incident photon of light, if the incident photon has a low frequency than threshold frequency, so electron will not ejected from a metal surface. The second one character is that photoelectric current is directly proportional to the intensity of light. Means if we increase the intensity of light, then the photoelectric current also increases. The third one character is that stopping potential is directly proportional to frequency of light. Means if we increase the frequency of light, stopping potential also increases. Now I will explain what is stopping potential. Stopping potential is the minimum potential that can be used to stop any electron that are ejected from the metal surface. The fourth one character is that kinetic energy of photoelectrons are directly proportional to the frequency of light. Means if we increase the frequency of light, the kinetic energy of electrons also increases. The fifth one character is that the photoelectric effect is instantaneous, means it can happen at any time or at any instant. Now I will tell you the contribution of Einstein in photoelectric effect. Einstein said that no electron will emitted from the metal surface if the energy of incident photon is less than the work function. No. What is work function? Work function is the minimum thermodynamic work that can be used to emit an electron from a metal surface. Here is the equation that can be given by a Einstein. Km is equals to E minus W, where Km is maximum kinetic energy, E is energy of photon, and W is work function of metal. The work function of metal is different for different material, means work function vary from metal to metal. The value of work function for aluminium is 4.08. Here is the final expression of photoelectric equation that could be given by Einstein. Kinetic energy is equals to hv minus hv naught, where v naught is stopping potential, h is Planck constant, and kinetic energy is, and this kinetic energy is produced by the photoelectrons when they collide with metal surface. Explain the application of photoelectric effect. Application of photoelectric effect are also used in everyday life that can provide a great help to human. The first one application of photoelectric effect is automatic doors. Automatic doors, the doors that can be used in hotel, offices, and many other places, that could be a great help for human. The other one application is television camera tubes. The third one application is the intrusion detection or intrusion alarm. Intrusion alarm is a security based system that could be used to detect any intrusion that may be entering or leaving the building in order to stole something. So in order to detect a specific intrusion, this application is very helpful. So photoelectric effect play an important role in our daily life. That's all from my side. Thanks sir for giving me a chance to elaborate.